and let's start. So I'm Ivan, and with Milkywaste, we're disrupting the plastic packaging industry. So Corona hit us hard. We had a lot of ups and downs, and now we're thinking about, oh, let's go on holidays. Okay, we arrived at our destination, and we're actually hit with reality. So plastic is a really a big issue. So it's vital for our economy, but their current use and end of use phases are totally unsustainable. So for example, animals eat plastic, fill their stomach up with plastic but die of hunger. And have you ever eaten plastic waste? Are you sure you never eaten plastic waste? What if plastic waste wouldn't be a problem to eat? So we developed a biodegradable, edible material from milk waste, and it's applicable for various applications. So we are better than our competitors, so the bioplastic producers, because we use waste, not food. There is a low-cost management and waste management. Another thing is there is no harm left in nature. And our vision is to replace all plastic in the food packaging industry. But since it's a long way to the top, if you want to rock and roll, we are focusing on less demanding markets, such as such markets that our MVP already fulfills, such as seed trays, organic waste bags. And a special thing is our plastic consists of proteins, so it doesn't kill animals. It makes them stronger. Our business model is a co-creation with existing plastic producers, and we connect with our intellectual property so that we use also the lean business process and green chemistry to connect cheaply. So we're very happy that with our mentor Johannes, we achieved Gründungsgarage milestones, and now we can proceed to the next chapter, which is Green Tech Cluster Co-Creation Workshop, and then we're ready for the AVS Creative Impact in October. With our team, Damir is a chemist, Mirjana is expert in economy and human resources, and Klemen takes care of strategic networking. Myself, I'm TU Graz master student in environmental system sciences, and I have a bachelor in chemical engineering. We're trying to tackle the industry, and what we need is access to a research lab nearby. We need experts in advisory board, and 3 million in next 2 years. So help us make the planet green again. Dankeschön.
Thank you. So now the mic is open for question. You can ask a question in English or German as you like.
Okay.
So first.
Can you say something about what is the input to your thing and about the energy you need to produce your biodegradable plastic?
Thank you very much for the question. So currently we are on the technology readiness 4. This means we have a minimal viable product. This is a lab grade process. 90% it's electricity, but if you go to the scale up, we can turn those electricity costs down quite a bit. So we did an LCA assessment, and the electricity was the highest expense. Yeah, but as I said, we can use renewable energy, and we are pretty sure that we can really compare it, at least to PLA, but even go further. But if you take in account all the LCA process and recycling, we have no waste management costs, so this is also according to the lowest costs.
So, auch nicht vergessen abstimmen, Feedbacker. Gibt es noch weitere Fragen? Da gibt's eine.
So I have a question. So how long does it take until the packaging or your product starts to degrading? First question. And second question, you mentioned something like it degrades in hot water or something. Is it also affected by, let's say, hot air, or if you wear it somewhere outside in hot weather or something like that?
Okay, thank you for your question. So to address hot water, yes, it dissolves. So so our MVP already is very good. For example, if we package like instant coffee, for example, it's really good. No waste. Humidity doesn't affect it. It is weaker like PLA, but it doesn't degrade. So an air doesn't degrade. But the biodegradability on if you put it on the soil or something like this is 30 days, so 1 month. With our MVP, but since we can add additives to as like chemistry manipulation and stuff, we can achieve higher biodegradability.